Hey, MathKook here. This video contains one of many examples in my Algebra 2 library. The rest of those examples, along with hundreds of other videos, are only available at mathkook.com. Let's MathKook it up. Hey Kooks, this question says, determine the domain and range of the function given its graph below. So we have a graph here of some function, and they're asking for the domain and the range. So what does domain and range mean? So let's put some definitions on our whiteboard here. So the domain is all possible values of x that give a real number for y. So it's basically where x is defined. Next is the range. It's all possible values of y defined by the function. So domain, whenever you think of domain, think of x. Whenever you think of range, think of y. So now, how do you find the domain? So what you do is you scan from left to right. So really important, starting at negative infinity, which would be off the screen here, but you would scan left to right. So you start here and then you move to the right. And then you identify where the function is defined and not defined for just the x values. So if we start here and we start moving, my radar would say no, 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 and then all of a sudden it would say yes, yes, right here at this x value. If you count from here, this would be -9. So it starts at -9, and let's keep going with our radar. Be yes, 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 because it's all defined here. Yes, 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 and then all of a sudden at 9 here, it'd be no. And if I go past 9, it would also be no. So none of these values past 9 are defined. So the domain is from -9, including -9, all the way to 9. So therefore, our domain is, and we'll write our answer in interval notation first, it includes -9 because there's a filled in dot here, but it does not include 9. So we put 9 and then a parentheses. So this is our domain here in interval notation. Now if you wanted to write it in inequality notation, it would be, so I'll write here or. If you wrote it in inequality notation, it'd be -9, and it includes -9, so less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 9. So either one of those answers is correct. How about the range? So for the range, it's kind of the same idea. You're going to put your scanner on here at -infinity, so you're going to start at the bottom, and then you're going to work your way up, and then until you get to +infinity. So let's go ahead and start our radar here. So no, 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 because there's no points here. No, 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 and all of a sudden yes. So we need to find this y value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the very first y value where it's defined is -5. And because it's filled in, it's going to include -5. And then as you go up, it's yes, 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 here. And then all of a sudden, as soon as you go above this point, it's no, 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 forever, no, 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 no. Okay, so if you count this y value here, this y value right here is 9. And then this one here is -5. So we know our start and our end now for the y values. So we can write our range. So our range in interval notation, remember we always go smallest number to biggest number. So we're going to start at -5. It includes -5. So we have a -5 here, and it goes all the way to 9. And it also includes 9 because this dot is filled in. So because of that, we're going to have brackets around -5, comma, and then 9, and then another bracket. Now if we want to write our answer in inequality notation, it'd be -5 less than or equal to y, which is less than or equal to 9. So there are our answers there. And just as a reminder, this answer is in interval notation. This one's in inequality notation. Hey Kook, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. For unlimited access to all of my Algebra 2 videos, visit mathkook.com. Thanks for watching.